Hey, and welcome to P&W Repair. If you're joining us for the first time, I'm Andy. Today, our project is going to be removing the lift cylinder off my Hyster Forklift to repack it. The piston packing's leaking pretty bad anymore, and the mast will just kind of bleed off pretty quick, which is not ideal for a forklift. So we're going to pull the cylinder out and pull it apart, and we'll go match up some seals at the hydraulic shop and get it fixed. So on both sides, my load chains have this pin going through, securing them to these bolts on either side of the cylinder. I'm going to go ahead and pull these cotter pins out and pull those pins out of the load chains to start. From there, we'll go up top here. We got these 3 bolts. I'll pull those out. From that, I should be able to slide my chains around the rollers underneath the keepers and flop those out of the way and lift this top bracket from the top of the cylinder. After that, we'll go down, or no, I won't be able to pull that yet because I will go around here and show you. We got 2 more bolts there and there that secure this piece that's actually bolted to that casting. So we'll pull those out. Then from there, we'll come back around. We'll take off this hydraulic hose right here. And then I went ahead, lifted the mast a little bit and set the forks down on a railroad tie so we have clearance to get in there. But right down in here, we have the other hydraulic hose. We'll disconnect that. And then, I mean, at that point, it should be as simple as pulling it out from behind the mast and getting it put on the bench, and we'll get it torn down. So we'll do that and get back with you. I got it apart, not exactly the way I wanted to. To get that body out, there was some very difficult bolts to get to on the lower bracket of the I guess the cylinder barrel. The barrel wouldn't come out off of this bracket because of a hole that the hydraulic line went through to the bottom of the barrel. So rather than pulling the cylinder with the barrel attached, I went ahead and popped the gland off and pulled the piston and rod out from the barrel with the barrel on the machine. So sure, that's going to be fun going back together, but luckily, you know, when my current gland packing, or piston packing rather, looks like that, kind of slid just right out. Didn't have a whole lot of resistance. So I'm going to go ahead and pop off the piston packing. I have my gland here, and I'm going to go ahead and take those 2 things down to the hydraulic shop and get them matched up, and I will get back with you as soon as that happens. Well, it's what, I want to say about 3 weeks later at this point, but we finally got our piston packings and gland packings back from the hydraulic shop. So that being said, we should be in position to get our forklift put back together and back in operation today. But I suppose we will find out shortly, won't we? So bundled up my old seals. So that being said, there is my new piston packing. I have new O-ring, and this is a different valve off a different project. Don't mind that. Yeah, we'll go ahead and reassemble the rod with the piston on it, get our gland on there, and get it reinstalled on the machine. Yeah, I'm gonna do that and I'll get back with you guys. See if we can't get this rod back in the barrel. Super lightweight, so that should make it super nice to do, huh? Man, I don't know. Jeez Louise. Whew. As soon as I pull my caps, that's going to want to fall. At this point, the rod's far enough down in the barrel that I should be able to get the loader on the hoe over here hooked up to it, so it doesn't just go slamming that piston into the bottom of the barrel when I take those caps off. So, or do I need to do that? Maybe I could do, yeah, that's what I'm doing. We'll do that. So I got it supported with the loader on the hoe. I'm going to go ahead and pull those caps from the hydraulic forks on the barrel, and we'll drop the rod in the rest of the way. I took our roller casting off the top of the rod. We're going to go ahead and reinstall our gland now. So from there, we'll put our chain roller casting back up on here. Snug that up. And we'll go over to the other side here. put our keeper for that chain rod casting up on here. That'll pull the cylinder, and that secures the cylinder here. Go ahead and snug those 2 bolts. Now we'll put our string our load chains back in. Well, you guys missed the end of that install, I suppose. All I did was put the lines back on. Camera decided to shut itself down because it was hot. So it's cooled off. I got everything reassembled. I just checked the hydraulic fluid level right as of now. Before I started, it's good. So I'm going to start it, run it up and down, and then I'll verify the fluid level and top it off. But moment of truth, huh? See if that thing bleeds off. Also check for leaks. guess I'll move you guys. I'm going to check the hydraulic oil level, and I'm going to go ahead and do some greasing. Okay, now that we've run that through its range of travel, go ahead and check the level. Must have been overfilled to start, because we're damn near at the full. I'm not going to add anything to that. That's good. Alright. Do some grease. Appreciate you guys watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, share, whole nine. Catch you on the next one.